Good morning. My name is Ashley Cook, and I'm an undergraduate student at Northern Michigan University in the Department of Biology. For my research project this semester, I investigated temporal partitioning among brown bears, bobcats, and gray wolves so that I could learn more about how different wildlife species interact with one another and avoid each other across the United States. I selected these species for my project because I was curious to see whether these apex predators that inhabit the forest of the Midwest avoided each other through their daily activity patterns or by other means, such as living in different parts of their habitat or consuming different prey. I decided to explore the hypothesis that brown bears, bobcats, and gray wolves will have different activity patterns to limit competitive interactions for their prey. This is important because these predators have a direct relationship competing for similar food and resources, which can influence many things like population and community structure. To achieve my goal, I used Snapshot USA 2019 camera trap data from the Midwest. Camera traps were placed on trees in open forests with regular orientation to increase animal sightings. This not only helped me examine resource partitioning among my target taxa, but also allowed me to quantify their activity patterns, such as being diurnal, nocturnal, crepuscular, or cathemeral, but also test hypotheses about resource partitioning among these species so that I can better understand the ecology of the species I care about. For data analysis, I used a chi-square test to determine whether my target taxa were active more than expected during specific periods of the day, as well as histograms to visual the detections at each hour of the day to determine the activity pattern of each species. I learned that brown bears and bobcats exhibited cathemeral activity patterns, whereas gray wolves had crepuscular activity patterns. This gave me strong evidence to reject my original hypothesis. These predators may not compete for resources as much as originally thought. They could be utilizing different prey species or have other factors influencing these patterns, such as human interactions or habitat space. In closing, I want to thank Snapshot USA collaborative team for granting me access to this incredible dataset, as well as my professor, Dr. Lafferty, and my TA, Sarah Trujillo, for helping me bring my project to completion. Thank you for your time.